What is the meaning of guardian ad litem?
In family law and divorce cases within Manhattan, the role of a guardian ad litem, GAL, is pivotal. A GAL is appointed by the court to represent the best interests of those who might not be able to advocate for themselves, typically children or incapacitated adults. Their evaluations and recommendations can significantly impact the proceedings and outcomes of these sensitive cases.
Legalities of a guardian ad litem.
A guardian ad litem is appointed by the court to act as an independent advocate for the child's welfare, distinct from the interests of the parents or other parties involved in the case. They conduct thorough investigations, participate in court proceedings, and provide a detailed report to the judge, which includes recommendations on matters such as custody, visitation, and other aspects pertinent to the child's well-being. The appointment of a guardian ad litem in Manhattan is governed by New York state law. These legal statutes are designed to protect children's rights and ensure that their best interests are considered in family court decisions. The court typically decides to appoint a GAL in cases where there are concerns about the child's welfare or when complex issues such as abuse, neglect, or parental conflict are present.
The role of a guardian ad litem.
Their primary responsibility is to conduct a comprehensive investigation to gather all pertinent information about the child's situation.
This includes reviewing documents such as school records, medical reports, and previous court documents related to the child.
The GAL also assesses the living conditions and stability of environments offered by each parent. After completing their investigation, the GAL prepares a detailed report for the court.
This report includes
a summary of the findings from the investigation,
observations from interactions with the child and family, recommendations on custody arrangements, visitation rights, and any specific needs of the child that should be addressed. Any concerns regarding the child's welfare. The GAL's report must be objective, focusing solely on the best interests of the child, free from any influence by the parties' positions or desires. Common scenarios requiring a guardian ad litem. A guardian ad litem is most commonly appointed in cases where the well-being of a child is at stake. These scenarios include divorce proceedings, when the custody or visitation rights are contested and there's a need to assess the child's preferences and needs. Abuse or neglect cases, where allegations of maltreatment are made. A GAL investigates the claims to ensure the child's safety and security. Adoption, to represent the child's interests in adoption proceedings, making sure that the adoption serves the child's best interests. Custody modifications, in situations where there is a request to change previously established custody arrangements due to new circumstances affecting the child's life. Appointment process of a guardian ad litem. Under Civil Practice Law and Rules (CVP) Rule 1202, a guardian ad litem is to be appointed in legal cases to ensure that the interests of those unable to represent themselves are protected adequately. Initiation of appointment.
The court has the authority to appoint a GAL at any point in the proceedings if it sees a need. A minor over 14 years old can request a GAL themselves. A relative, friend, or a legal guardian such as a committee of the property or conservator is also qualified to make this request.
Requirements for notification. When a motion to appoint a GAL is made, it is crucial to notify several parties. If the person for whom a GAL is being appointed has a guardian, committee, or conservator of their property, this representative must be notified. Conditions for appointment to be effective. The proposed GAL must provide written consent agreeing to serve. They must submit an affidavit demonstrating their qualifications, ensuring they can manage the responsibilities of the role and compensate for any damages caused by their negligence or misconduct. The court plays a pivotal role in the selection of a GAL, ensuring that the chosen individual meets all legal and professional requirements. For assistance in understanding the duties of or working with a guardian ad litem, contact the law office of Ryan Besinque at 929-251-4477. Our attorneys are ready to assist you in ensuring that the perspectives and needs of your loved ones are effectively represented and respected throughout the legal process. To ensure your loved one's needs are thoroughly represented and their rights vigorously defended, consider the support of a legal team that values the GAL's role and is committed to your family's best outcomes. Visit us at 115 West 25th Street 4th floor, New York, New York, 10001, United States.